Do you usually help people do this, or they just do it by themselves? That's all.
No, we do it for all our customers.
Oh, you.
Yes.
Oh, you unbox it. I'm supposed to unbox it.
You can unbox it.
No, but it's fine.
You can, if you want. All our customers allow us to do it.
To do it. Okay, it's fine. Let me just capture it. It's a beautiful moment. Ooh,
So, brand new.
brand new. Did this stick properly?
Yeah, that one stuff. You can see it out. The other one, you see it, that one.
Okay. So it doesn't go off, eh? Once it sticks, it sticks.
Once it sticks, it's sticking.
Okay.
The macro SIM card. So this way you can
This is dual SIM.
double 1 2.
Okay. Does it also take eSIM?
Yes, you check eSIM.